Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to generate a 3D model of exhaust manifold in Autodesk Inventor software. So let's get started with today's tutorial. Go to new, take a standard part in millimeter and go to create. Now from here select 2D sketch and click on XY plane. Now go to line command. From this center point make a horizontal line of dimension 445 mm. Okay. Now make a vertical line of dimension 120 mm and escape from this command. Now go to fillet command. Here take a fillet of 75 radius. Select this line and select this line. Okay. Now exit. Now finish sketch and we will make a new plane over here. So go to plane command, select this point and select this line. It will generate a new plane. Now select this plane, go to create sketch. Here go to project geometry and project this point on which we are going to make a plane. Okay. Now go to circle command, select this point and make a dia of 90 mm and from same center point make dia 110. Okay. Or reduce it to 100 mm. Okay. Now finish sketch and go to sweep command. Select this inner profile, go to path and select this path. Okay, this profile is not selected. Select this. Now you can see the sweep profile and okay. Now we'll make this multiple profiles. So for that select this face, go to create sketch, rotate the view. Now go to circle command once again. Make here circle of 90 and one of 100. Same profile which we have made here. Go to dimension. The center point of this from this will be at 380 mm. Okay. Now go to horizontal constraint. Select this point and select this point. Now it is horizontally aligned. Now finish sketch and go to extrude command. Select this inner profile, flip the direction and here we will take 2 next. So it will be extrude till here and okay. Now you can see the top view. Now you can see this is a closed profile. From here also you can see it is a closed profile. So to open it, select this face, go to create sketch, go to circle command and from here make circle of dia 90 mm. Okay. Go to 3D model, extrude. We will take here cut and take a depth of 120 mm. So it will lie at center point. You can see here and okay. Now this is a hollow profile. Okay. Now we want to pattern this. So to make a pattern, go to rectangular pattern, select this profile. It will select extrude 1 and select extrude 2. Go to direction 1, open the origin and here we will take the x-axis. So select X axis for rectangular pattern. Here give a count of 3 and the distance between will be 380 divided by 3. Okay, this was total distance of 380 and okay. Now you can see the hollow profile. Go to home. Now we will make this upper flange. So select this face again, go to create sketch, rotate the view, or you can remain here also. Now go to circle command, make a circle at the center of dia 110 or make it 115. Go to circle command, here take dia as 35 mm and from same center make dia 20. Okay. Similarly other side dia 35 and here center point 20 mm. Okay. Now go to line command, construct a random line here, escape. Similarly line, join this and here, escape. Go to line once again, same profile will be made this side and here and escape. Now we will align them first. So go to direction, dimension, select this circle, select this center point, give dimension 100 mm. Similarly this circle and this circle center to center 100 mm. Go to horizontal constraint. Okay, we will take the vertical constraint, select this point and select this center point. Similarly select this center point and select this center point. Now their direction dimension is defined and their position is also defined. Now go to tangent constraint, select this line and select this outer circle. Similarly select this line and select this outer circle. Select this line, circle and select this outer circle. Select this outer circle and select this line. Now this is defined. Similarly we will do this side. You can watch it again. Select this outer circle and select this line, make them tangent. Similarly select this outer circle and select this line. Okay. Select this outer circle and select this line. Similarly select this outer circle and it selects this line. Okay. Now go to trim command and we will trim the extra profiles, like this profile we don't want, this also, here, this edge and this edge also. Okay. Now go to finish and go to extrude. Select this, select here, select this profile and select this profile. So this complete profile will be selected. Reverse the direction and take a distance as 10 mm. Okay, and press OK. Now go to rectangular pattern, select this flange or you can select extrude 3, direction 1, take X axis at direction. Here make count of 4 and here the center to center distance will be 380 by 3 and OK. Okay. Now we will define the color. For color, select here and go to light red. We will select light red. Okay. To make it more realistic, go to first Select this, right click, turn off the visibility. Now select the inner profiles or inner face, this profile, this and this. Select all inner profiles. From here change its view to aluminum plate flat. Okay, so it will show you the cut profiles. Okay, so this was the basic tutorial to how to construct a 3D model of exhaust manifold in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.